Hi friend, hello everyone. In this video, let's see how to remove letters or how to write letters. The video. Draw 6 lines as shown in this video. Watch this video till the end and you will understand. It is very simple. Full watch video. Draw lines as shown in this video. Watch the video till the end. And if you like the video, give it a like and subscribe, and let me know if you have any ideas. Let me know in the comments and I will try to work on it. It is very simple. Let me know in the comments how you like this video. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. May God bless and protect you. If you also make other drawing, please let me know in the comments. Let me know how you like this video in the comments. May God bless, and if you like the video, please subscribe and like it.